Every year, the world transforms. Flowers bloom in spring. The sun shines brighter in summer. Leaves turn golden in autumn. And snow blankets the ground in winter. But what causes these beautiful changes we call the seasons? Many people think it's because Earth moves closer or farther from the sun. But that's not true. Let's explore the real reason seasons change. The secret lies in the tilt of the Earth's axis. Imagine Earth as a spinning top, tilted at an angle of about 23.5 degrees as it orbits around the sun. This tilt stays pointed in the same direction throughout the year, like a line running through the North and South poles. Because of this tilt, different parts of the Earth receive different amounts of sunlight at different times of the year. When the northern hemisphere tilts toward the sun, it gets more direct sunlight, and the days are longer. That's when countries north of the equator experience summer. At the same time, the southern hemisphere tilts away from the sun, getting less light and shorter days. That's winter for them. 6 months later, the situation flips, and the southern hemisphere enjoys summer, while the northern hemisphere experiences winter. The change in sunlight also affects how warm or cool a region feels. During summer, sunlight hits the ground at a more direct angle, concentrating its energy. During winter, sunlight arrives at a slant, spreading its energy over a larger area, which makes it weaker and cooler. The longer days and stronger sunlight together create the warmth we associate with summer. Between these extremes, we have spring and autumn, the transitional seasons. During these times, both hemispheres receive roughly equal sunlight, and the days and nights are nearly the same length. That's why spring and fall feel milder and are often called equinox seasons. The word equinox actually means equal night. Interestingly, Earth's distance from the sun does change slightly during its orbit. But it's not enough to cause the seasons. In fact, Earth is actually closest to the sun in early January, during the northern hemisphere's winter. This shows that the tilt, not the distance, is what really drives the seasons. Different parts of the world experience seasons in unique ways. Near the equator, the sun's rays are almost always direct, so temperatures stay warm all year long, and people experience only wet and dry seasons instead of four distinct ones. Near the poles, however, the tilt causes extreme changes. Long months of sunlight in summer, followed by months of darkness in winter. The tilt of Earth's axis might seem like a small detail, but it's what makes our planet's environment so dynamic and full of variety. Without it, we wouldn't have the beautiful cycles of growth, harvest, and rest that define life on Earth. Animals wouldn't migrate, trees wouldn't shed their leaves, and farmers wouldn't have planting and harvesting seasons. So, the next time you feel the warmth of summer or watch the snow fall in winter, remember, it's all thanks to Earth's steady tilt and graceful orbit around the sun. If you enjoy discovering the science behind everyday wonders, don't forget to subscribe to my channel How Things Work and comment the next topic you want to learn.